storage, maintenance, storage and maintenance. Okay, storage and maintenance. Okay, wood shop. Yeah, I think I'm in the old gym. I should believe I am. I think this is the old gym. Oh, yeah, this corner here. This corner here went down, steps down, and then that was all the gym. Gymnasium. And this was the stage entrance. Oh. Now, this was the main entrance. That was the office. Main entrance. And the home ec room, which had the rid back of the stage, which was usable as a stage. And this was a sewing room. This was the boat room. It's the main entrance, so. And yeah, this was the office. Looks like it's still the office. Yeah. Oh. That must be teachers, LCP staff. Yeah, that's them. That was the main entrance, so let's go down this way. See what of my rooms I can find. Oh, here's the public school testers refuge. Yeah. The other office door, general office, still office. And staff room. And this was a courtyard back in the day, in the 70s. My grade 4 room. My science room. Yeah, this was my science room. Yeah, 4, 5 was over there. Oh, the library is way over here now. Okay. Used to be at the other end. Class of 2007, 6. Broken 14, 16, 17. Need a bigger wall. Oh, here. 8, 19. So, and this is the side entrance. This was the back door. I used to run out by when I got picked up. Down this hall from where the office was, right out these doors. Right out. And come on, get off, fly, get off of me. Okay. And I don't know what these rooms were. So no, the kitchen. Hey, we didn't have a kitchen. We got one now. Hey. I don't remember this entrance though. I think it's a side entrance. We had two back entrances. So and either this room was my grade 6 room. No, I think the second one was. Yeah, the washroom's still here. And so this was my grade 6 room. Yeah, this was my grade 6. Hi. Okay. Grade 7 room. Right there. This was my grade 7 room. I'm quite sure this is the one. And this is now the opposite side of the courtyard. And we're getting into grade 8s, 9s section. And here is the grade 10 section. And this was a doorway to the library. They walled that off. That wall was not there. The library was this wide, but it went right through to the other side. Pushing to, yeah, back to where the gym started, right in this corner. That's why this angle is the way it is. Gym entrance, wide doors. Yeah. Oh, a lot of changes. And this curved wall wasn't there. Nothing there in that curved wall. It was a flat wall, which was the end of the library. And stage entrance. And back to my front entrance. So, and the office. The office, they make great slogans. They never work. They never work. Success is internal. It has to be a want. Oh, they got stuff that they never had. I think they invented dispensing machines after. Yeah. Staff rooms are still the same. So. Mr. Johnson. Okay, where did Dan go? Let's talk to Dan. Looking at Crête. Trophies. Oh. Yeah, I guess. Just that back entrance. Oh. Oh, the library. Isn't what it used to be.